So you're going to put it in drive. Okay, so, alright, you're going to see if you can make it all the way to the grass. Okay, back up a little bit. That's it. Alright, you're going to put it in drive. Just give it a little bit of gas.
Not a lot, just a little.
And then it's going to go bam.
When you hear the bam, stop.
Just hit the gas and take your foot off the gas. No brake. That's the right idea. Back up.
Right idea. All right.
Stop. Okay, that's the right idea. Come back on the mark. Need about twice as much. Alright? Do it.
Yeah.
Looking good. Let go of the slack.